US dollar plunges, then bounces against the Japanese yen. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The US dollar plunged against the Japanese yen during the early part of the session on Thursday, but has turned around a bit as the advanced GDP numbers came out at 2.8% instead of 2% in America, suggesting that the Fed still will have to remain tight for a while. If that's going to be the case, that throws the interest rate differential shifting into disarray, and therefore we have a situation where the bounce makes a lot of sense. We've seen a lot of panic selling as of late, and it certainly makes a certain amount of sense that this is a market that will continue to be noisy, but I also recognize that we have a situation where we had bounced from the 200-day EMA, so technical traders just in that reasoning will more likely than not continue to see a lot of interest in this, as it's not only catching a little bit of a falling knife, but also at an area where it had gotten so cheap that I think it made sense to get involved. Ultimately, this is a market that I think is probably going to try to get to the 155 yen level, but keep in mind there has been a massive amount of technical damage done. So it's more likely than not it'll be more of a grind to the upside. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.